Before we get into the nitty-gritty of media training, I do want to plant in you a couple of seeds that are critically important. It's a starting point for every media interview you do, every talk show appearance, every protest where you're hoping to gain media's attention, whatever it is you do. It's my belief that you need to start off with the presumption of being happy, positive, upbeat. You have insights, you have principles that are actually making your life happy, that will make other people happy. Too often, people in the media want to portray those of you in the secular activist world as somehow angry, upset, bitter about something, lacking something, devoid something. It's critically important not to give the detractors any ammunition. So every interview you do, you have to project that while you might not be happy with a particular public policy, you'd be very happy if things went according to your view, according to your principles, because you actually have principles that make for a happy life and for a happy society and a fair society and a just society. So that's why it's not just the substance. We're going to talk in detail about how to look your best on camera. It's not just how you look, it's also what you're projecting inwardly. And I don't mean to sound all touchy-feely this early in the course, but I do want you to really project a sense of happiness. You're happy with your principles. You're happy with the ideas you're trying to espouse. You'd actually think other people would be better off and happier and more productive in their lives if they followed your same principles, as opposed to seeming negative or upset or annoyed or just angry at the world, because that's how your enemies want to paint you. You do not want to give them ammunition. Now, I'm not suggesting that you go easy on anyone. I'm not suggesting that you don't criticize where criticism is due. And believe me, there's going to be plenty of criticism due. But you have to do it with a smile on your face. And you have to do it with a sense of fun, a sense of joy, a sense of, you know something these other people don't know. And it is, in fact, what's motivating you to do the right thing. So we're going to talk about particular issues and how to frame your message, sound bites, and all the rest. But I do want you to sort of start off, before we get into any of this, really focusing on having fun with this. And I know these are very serious issues, but have a smile on your face on the outside and the inside. You have a good message, and you are happy to be here. You're happy to convey this. Do that, and it's going to be much harder for your enemies to attack you. And when they do attack, things are going to not stick as forcefully. So be positive, be upbeat, be happy. Think of your role models. I don't know if you like Christopher Hitchens in his day, or if you like Bill Maher. Whoever it is you like, I want you to think about what is it that you like about them. And if there is something positive about them, something upbeat, something that gives a sense that they are having a great, fantastic, interesting life, that's what needs to be conveyed. That's why these people are, in fact, leaders and captivating. So think about that before we dive in.